Okay. We made it! We made it! We're at the final last step in my makeup routine. I always do my lipstick very, very last because I like to drink some tea. I always have tea sitting on my counter or on my vanity when I'm doing my makeup, and so I don't want to put on lipstick earlier and just mess it up as I drink my tea. So as I've finished everything else, I've set my face, I've put the powder, put the highlighter, done the contour, everything else is ready to go and I'm about to head out the door. That's when I do my lipstick. So today, to kind of stick with the more monochromatic and just letting the dewy highlight speak for itself look that we're going for, I'm going to try to keep the lips also very monochromatic but a little bit shimmery as well. So I'm going to go in with a brand new lipstick that I just got. This is one of the Sephora Lip Stories that just came out earlier, or maybe at the end of 2017. 2016, what? At the end of 2017. So this is number 3. It's called Oui, Oui. And it's one of the lip stories. So it's a really pretty kind of mauve-y, nudie pink, which I thought would complement the blush that we have going on really well. So let me just put this guy on. Oops, I don't really need it. I don't need it all that far out. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, I like that. This is a little bit more on the sheer side. It's not... It's got good coverage. I wouldn't say it's not like totally opaque. It's also got a nice kind of sheen to it. It's definitely not matte at all. I wouldn't say. It doesn't say. Probably more of like a satin finish, but I really like that color. That's pretty. That's really, really pretty. Okay, and so now, since we're going glowy, and you know, why not just take it up a notch, I'm going to use my absolute favorite gloss. This is, oh, you can't see that. It's just too bright. This is from the Koko collection. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Koko collection, and this is the gloss from the first version of the collection. So they have like a set, and then they came out with new ones, but this is from the first collection. This is the Damn Gina gloss, and it's just, this is my favorite. I have, like, no shame, 3 backups of this guy because it's just, it is my favorite. And I often will wear this without anything because it has really great coverage on its own. Looks great over regular lipsticks, looks great paired with, I think the other collection or other color in there is Clo Money, which is kind of this nudie pink. Looks really great over that. Looks great over, you know, any kind of liquid lipstick. I just love this. Okay. Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for making it to the end of another tutorial. And remember, every day is a new day to play with glitter. Love y'all. Bye.